Okay, these are the ingredients. It's hot dogs. These are for 2 plates. So it will be this many hot dogs, this many potatoes, preferably your choice, doesn't matter. Oil, salt, mustard, mayo, and ketchup. Preferably you can use any sauce you want, doesn't matter. Alright, now we got our chopped potatoes. Yeah, as you can see, nice and chopped. And then we got our chopped hot dogs. Make sure to slice it slightly for better taste and overall. Now we're gonna fry it, and that's it. And I'll see you with the frying pan. Now we turn this on. There, put this on it. Now once that starts bubbling or it's hot, then you put a potato in there. As soon as it turns golden brown, you take it out, you let it dry, put salt on it, and I'll teach you the next step. Now when the oil is hot, have to confirm, you put it here, you can tell it's hot. So then you get 3 at a time. Pull your wrist like that, drop it. Ow, that kind of hurt. And I got hurt. And just wait until it gets golden brown. Make sure to have a plate right next to you with a paper towel on the layer so it can catch the grease and so it can dry out a little. Once it's a little bit dry, you can put as much salt as you want or as prefer you like. Now you take the sausages, and I forgot to, my phone died when it started to do it. Now you put it in there, just 2 minutes. Mix those two together, and the results, eh?